For the mid back, just going to work with the lower ribs. Find a good spot there. Use flexion and extension. Work your way up. Use the breath. You can come up just at the base of the shoulder blades. And you can flex and extend over it. Rotate onto it. Get it right in there like a nice elbow. Once you're in between the shoulder blades, you can raise the arm up and down. Reach across the body. Moving that arm overhead is great to get a better overhead position. Release any tight spots through there. Getting flexion extension. Go into the other side. Repeat the same process, starting at the bottom, working your way up. Nice and simple, effective.